Hi friends, welcome back. Now it is time to see how an unstable multivibrator can be implemented. This NOT gate can be implemented using a common emitter configured transistor which works in cutoff and saturation only, and as extending our discussions we had in bistable and monostable. I am just directly jumping to the final version of the circuit. Here, the NOT gates are represented by two transistors, Q1 and Q2, and they are controlled by RC values, R1, C1 for controlling Q1, R2, C2 for controlling Q2. Now, how does it work? So let's assume at some time this was off and this was on. When this is on, this voltage is low, this is off, therefore this voltage is high, and hence this end is high, this end is high, nothing happens in this case, whereas this end is high, this end is low, therefore current flows and charges this capacitor. As the capacitor gets charged, this voltage of base of Q1 keeps increasing, and sometime it is sufficient to switch on the transistor Q1. The moment Q1 is switched on, this voltage suddenly drops, and when this voltage drops, this voltage also drops, and hence this becomes off. And the moment this becomes off, this goes high, and this high continues to keep this on, and this low continues to keep this off. How long? Not very long, because now this is low, we have VCC here, then this current starts flowing and this starts getting charged, and after some time this point voltage is increased sufficient to drive this transistor into saturation, and hence after some time this gets back to on and output goes low, and this low makes this low, and hence this becomes off, and this goes high, and the process repeats again and again and again. So sometime this current is flowing, other time this current is stop flowing, and when this current is flowing it is remaining in 0, and when this current is flowing this is remaining in 1. So if you take output from here, then the output will be 0 for some time, and then gets to 1 for some time, then back to 0, remains in 0 for some time, and then back to 1, remains in 1 for some time, and that continues. And this one is under control of R2C2, and this one is under control of R1C1. Now, depending on R2C2, R1C1, we are free to select these widths, and overall the period of the repetition, duty cycle, everything is under control of R1, C1, R2, C2. So that's it for now. Many more things to follow. Till then, take care. See you. Bye.